So my name is Jonathan Valencia. I am from the Odessa Midland area of Texas. I was with 2nd Battalion, 3rd Marines in the United States Marine Corps. So today we did a group CrossFit workout with the Independence Fund. And the goal is to just have a collaborative area where everybody gets to kind of work out, lean on each other, push each other, just go back to the tenets of motivation, dedication, discipline, and just get a little bit of sweat going. Bro, I've been to gyms all over the world. I'm a gym guy, so take it from me. Super nice facility, dope aesthetic, great equipment. I'm a huge fan of Arsenal equipment. There's a ton of Arsenal equipment down here. A nice dedicated turf area. Just every type of machine that you can have. It's got free weight. It's got low plate loaded machines. It's just a great all-around gym. I think it's an A in everything. I would have killed myself 10 years ago. And I don't say that for ease and ahs and oohs and what have you to tug on your little heartstrings. When I got out of the Marine Corps, I fell into the same trap that a lot of veterans do: alcohol, drugs, women. Got to a point where I couldn't stand it anymore. Got down on my knees and prayed to God. I said, God, give me 6 months of sobriety. If you can just give me 6 months after failing time and time again to get sober on my own, just give me 6 months. I'll go to church. I'll treat my wife better. Treat my friends better. I'll read the Bible. I'll start eating right. I'll start exercising, taking care of my temple. It's been 8 years. So, I've always been a gym guy. I started lifting weights when I was 12 years old. I'm 40 now. So it's always been a part of me, but not a way that I took it as serious as I should have. So when I got sober, I started getting back into the gym a lot more, and it helped to fulfill that sense of loss. I think a lot of veterans, particularly combat veterans, the biggest struggle is you find an identity when you're so young, being a war fighter. When you leave that, it's very difficult to fill that hole because you've been running on adrenaline and highs. Combat's about as high of the high that you can possibly get. Once it's gone, you have to fulfill that with something: the drugs, alcohol, the women. But also the gym can do that as well. Obviously the Lord number one, but then the gym can kind of follow in behind that. And so all the effort and energy that I put into chasing bad things, I put it into health and wellness. And not to spin yarn or go into a whole thing, but since I gave my life back to Christ and got back into the gym, every area, my career is better, my relationships are better, my body's obviously better. I'm not a fat body right now. Just everything in general, my mental health is better, which is important for things like we did today, is because a lot of people will pretend that they're better, but they're not. So at times like this, it lets us to kind of remotivate each other, recalibrate. Dude, I've never been to Havasu. I'm going to find a way to make it back here for this gym. And I'm not just saying that to blow smoke up everybody's asses because you got me on camera. It legitimately is a really good gym. And then, just standing out here, looking outside, seeing the mountains and everything, I would definitely put this in top 3 gyms I've been in the world. So yeah, I'm definitely going to make it back here.